शाहरुख खान, K3G, कुछ होता है, कुछ होता है. So शाहरुख खान आ गया, कुछ होता है.
सलमान खान, मैंने प्यार किया.
Action.
Hi, I'm Kanchi,
And I'm Riya.
and you're officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke to Soon pod.
If you've seen the Gully Pops in Gully Pops, please nod. Yes, we have.
I actually have not yet,
Okay.
but I learn a lot. You were in it, so it's fine.
Yeah. I was just waiting to watch with my parents, so I will watch
By
it
the way,
on-
Devashri, you are the first person to come on Spoke to Soon twice.
Yay!
Yeah. And
Also
welcome,
to the fun-
Ankita.
And you are coming for the first.
Yeah.
And it's my first podcast also. So.
Ever?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Then that's very special for me.
Too
Yeah.
good. Virginity has been
For me
broken.
also, yeah.
What?
What? I said podcast virginity has been broken.
Love that.
Guys, what's up? Tell us about how y'all made Girly Pops. How are y'all feeling now that your show is out?
Kind of excited. It's like it's 10 minutes for one episode, and I'm excited to watch it. How did you like it? You watched it yesterday, no?
I liked it. But I'm excited for the rest of the episode. The next episode is more fun, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually the third episode. I don't know in which episode are we exactly
Y'all
doing
haven't
that.
seen the final cuts before it goes
No,
live.
we haven't.
That's not fair, yeah.
Is that weird?
No,
seeing the
because
final.
we're used to it.
Yeah.
Only actors would say that. We
Yeah.
have to see
We
everything
have to see
before it goes
everything
up.
before it.
Even we were like that before.
No, I did
think.
experience that after I was an actor and then I became a creator and then I was an actor again and then I was like, मुझे देखना है. But
Yeah.
then they wouldn't let us. The director wouldn't even let us see the
See the
takes after,
yeah
like, all
monitor.
this.
You're
Yeah,
not allowed
we
to
were
see
not
the frame
allowed.
also.
So
the
yeah,
takes.
some directors.
But why?
It's
They
their,
feel like
you know,
we might
Oh.
change a little bit of
Like
here
you'll got a
and there,
shot or
like-
something.
And it's like
Yeah.
their thing to see what looks good and
Yeah,
what doesn't.
exactly.
You
yeah.
just have to be on screen.
Yeah,
No,
they
some
want to
directors
decide.
let you see also. It depends on their craft.
But
and the
not
way
that
they
much.
work.
I have not seen directors
Yeah, they don't let you see
wanting-
every
हाँ,
like,
exactly.
like how you see your phone.
So when you see it now, you'll see it for the first time ever.
Oh, crazy.
Yeah. But
Is it weird? Okay, you said.
But like initially, I was saying that we used to be very excited. Like as soon as they used to say cut, we used to run towards the monitor and just be like, "Can we get a glimpse of it?" But then they're like, "No, not allowed. We are just letting you see it because the director is not around."
Not
Otherwise,
allowed,
no.
matlab you are the hero, bro.
No, but yeah,
Not
it's
allowed.
fair for the director because like we might get conscious about our hair, our this,
Yeah.
and that, you know. So it's fine because we have to focus on acting.
And then you can't tell them again.
yeah, we can't be like, "Hey, मेरे बाल अच्छे नहीं लग रहे, वापस कर दो please."
Do you get to tell them that, oh, I don't like this outfit, can you put me in something else?
We
Let's not get there. I
yeah,
think.
and both of us had the same good side, so we would like
Oh,
switch. We
shit.
would be like, "Okay, this time you get to take
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
you take
We'll
it."
be like,
And
huh.
but we were nice to each other. We were like, "Okay, this time you take
Huh.
it." She would be like,
Last
"Okay, this
time I
you
was
take
there,
it."
so you
Yeah.
can be this side.
Oh, y'all are friends now. If you're acting with someone you don't really like, you'd be like, bro, fuck off, I'm taking the good side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have experienced something like that.
I hope you fought
In a
for your
show.
good side.
I don't
could
think
not.
she would have.
Because
Why?
they had more say in that particular shoot. So like
That's not fair.
We want to know the tea rate.
Guys, I've given up my good side for y'all
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, she did. That's nice. Thanks,
Thanks,
Priya.
yeah.
I have to, I don't have an option.
Yeah, we were like, we're the guests.
Sit there, yeah.
No, but I was saying, is it weird to see yourself act? Like, it's weird for us to listen to ourselves after we've recorded a podcast.
Yeah, true.
Like, we don't like to listen to it, but we have to because we have to see the feedback. So when you watch it, is it weird for you to look at yourself?
Not that much for me. Also, because we've been acting for a while, so I don't think
Yeah,
it's the same. for
I
us.
Like, you're used to it now.
yeah.
True, but I'm kind of used to listening to
Now
myself
we are used to
now.
watching our videos.
But I don't like myself.
Yeah,
Like, I don't like how I sound.
Yeah.
I don't like how I sound. I don't like my voice
Yeah,
in the videos.
It's
That's
not,
why-
it's
sorry,
not
sorry.
about the sound for me, especially. I don't know about you, but like
Because
I
your
become-
voice is nice.
I didn't shut up, no, but I think that's like a universal thing कि जिसको भी ऐसा लगता है that I sound different on camera or on phone. But I become very critical about myself that I should have made that expression instead of that. I feel that more than
Yeah.
the sound bit.
And
Yeah.
do you also feel like after the self auditions, it's like increased?
Yeah.
Yeah, so after COVID, before that we used to go to studios to
Yeah.
audition.
Hmm.
And after COVID, everything was work from home. So we used to audition from home.
So you send a video.
Yeah, so we have like 20 takes. We can
So
take
you
20
can do
takes,
whatever.
and we can. So I think it was increased after that, like looking at yourself more.
So you're saying that in an audition, when you're like in the room with the director or casting person, you only get one shot. But then when you take a video, you can keep seeing and reviewing yourself, and you're like, maybe when I say this word, if I do this expression, I can do it better. So you give yourself more chances, and then you overanalyze.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy!
You can send your best shot then.
Yeah.
But then isn't
Exactly.
that wrong? Like what if they select you and then actually that time you are not the best?
No, yeah, that's why it's like difficult for us to not see it again and again. Like we're like, oh, we want to see it, but we can't.
Yeah. And also if you see it and they don't want you to do more takes and you feel like you can do better, but they feel like they've already gotten the take, then you'll keep saying, no, I want one more take, I want one more.
No,
Sometimes they
best
do
directors,
agree to give us one more take, and like when I especially go and give auditions, then like sometimes if I don't like the take that they liked, I'm like, can I just give one more just for the safety? And they're like, yeah. I think that's like
Most times they'll say
And then
yes,
they
because-
choose one.
Yeah, because
just
it's for
creativity.
safety,
I'm like,
freedom.
yeah, okay. So they are like, okay, fine. But then they choose what they want to choose.
Yeah, that's true.
How was your auditioning experience? Like, have you all given a lot of auditions? What's the vibes?
I have.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been auditioning since 2022, I think. But very on and off, not like a full-time actor, like how they would go every day to Aram Nagar and give auditions.
Yeah.
Not like that, but like, yeah, like here and there, I started auditioning since 2022.
I was seeing your Instagram yesterday and
We were stuck in
Yeah, we
Like
were
it's
stalking you. And you are a nurse?
Yeah.
You are studying to be a
Stop
nurse.
it.
Yeah.
I told her, she's not believing me. I'm like, wait, let me
Yeah,
ask you.
she was
you
scamming.
know, na?
I know.
I also got to know on the shoot when we were talking.
Oh,
Bro,
yeah.
that's crazy.
I knew she used to tell me about
Hi,
it.
I'm a nurse.
How? What?
Wait, you're an actor, you're a content creator,
You're
you're
a
a nurse. And apparently you were also very famous on TikTok.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's how I started.
Yeah.
Say more.
Where do I begin from? So basically, not nursing, but I wanted to do medical. Like I wanted to become a doctor. More than me, my parents wanted me to become a doctor. So they wanted me to prepare for NEET. So I attempted once. Nahi hua. So I knew that this is not my cup of tea and I can't study for like 12-15 hours a day. तो देन आई वाज लाइक इससे इजी ऑप्शन क्या है मतलब इसके अलावा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ इफ आई हैव टू गेट अ डिग्री देन दे वर लाइक कि नर्सिंग कर ले सो माय सिस्टर वाज लाइक कि ओके चल nursing is good in UK so might as well do that so I went to UK I was doing nursing and then I got bored because the social life is very blah out there especially like for nursing, I think, because like it used to be really hectic with like placements and part-time jobs and all that. So in the meanwhile, I started making content on TikTok, but like faltu, random. It was nothing like I want to become a content creator or I want to crack the social media on followers. Time pass. So it just, I think I was just having fun. So वो flow में हो गया and I just kept doing it.
And then you finished your nursing also.
Yeah, but then I also told my parents पहले से कि like I want to go to Bombay after my degree. So they were like कि ठीक है and like meanwhile they were also seeing me progressing in social media and content creation. So they were like okay fine then if this works out for you. So I feel like content creation made that way for me to come to Bombay and actually pursue.
So when did acting come up? Before that only when you wanted to come to Bombay?
Yeah, before only I wanted to come to Bombay. So
Okay.
after my school, I wanted to come here. But my parents didn't allow me because they were like,
Too young.
Yeah, I was just 17. So they were like, you need to go study, get a degree, and then uske baad hi karo.
You were 17 when you started making content.
Yeah.
Damn.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I think she's the youngest here.
Yeah.
Am
You're
I?
the youngest.
Yeah.
I thought you were, no?
I think we are same.
24.
24.
Yeah.
Okay. You've been making content for very long.
Yeah, that's a long time.
So, we asked the audience what they want to know about acting, because most people that move to Bombay, they want to become actors. A lot of people want to audition, but they don't know where to go, how to find out what's happening. Like, how do you know what audition is happening when to show up where, right? So we asked them to ask questions to you guys, and most people actually asked whether being a content creator helps you pave a way to becoming an actor. Is it like a stepping stone to becoming an actor? Do you feel like it helps?
Yeah, I mean, we've also spoken about this. Okay, no, but sometimes if you're a content creator and you're too seen on the internet or everywhere, then it's a problem for the director, or however you see it. But then they're you're too seen, so now you can't be this character, because this character is supposed to be mysterious and everyone knows you. And then sometimes it's also you don't have enough followers, so you can't come in.
But more than scene, I feel like casting directors think that when you're a content creator, people already have a perception about you, of your personality, that you are this certain way. So when they see you acting in something different, something maybe something that you are not on social media, then it's not hard for, it's very hard for them to get convinced that she can actually pull that off. So
But what if
That's
you
so
can
fun.
actually pull it off?
But they don't feel like the audience will believe it, because the audience
Yeah.
knows you.
yeah.
They can probably pull it off. They are
That's thoda
actors.
sad na.
Yeah.
Like,
but-
what if you can do a lot more, but they just think that you are fit
But
for
there's
this?
also a good side of content creation, is that you get reached out directly from different
Yeah.
casting.
I've gotten reached out.
Really?
Yeah, I've given some auditions.
Which
But I suck.
Can you name which one?
I gave an audition for the movie Jalsa. Vidya Balan movie.
Yeah.
I gave an audition for that movie. I gave an audition for a Netflix show, which I didn't know the name of at that time because it was non-disclosure.
Okay.
And I'm just such a bad actor.
You say your experience, Riya.
Yeah, share your experience. How was it like?
Ek to I didn't want to go because I'm I don't act. Honestly, even this, me speaking in front of the camera and all is not it doesn't come as naturally to me as dancing. Every time I've been on stage or I've been in front of the camera, I've always been dancing. So this is very, out of nature for me. But I was being pushed a lot at that time because at that time I had maybe 40,000 followers and everyone was bro, if you're getting these opportunities, you should go, okay? And my Hindi is thoda tuta-futa, I can speak in Hindi properly, but I can't do a local, type of Hindi. Arey, tu kya kar rahi hai? Yahan se nikal type of thing. I can't do. What did I just do? I can't do a whole script in that, okay? So I went for this audition and all, and I thought someone was scamming hardcore. And at that time, I used to work at Creator 21 as an intern. So it was in Aram Nagar only, and the audition place was in Aram Nagar.
Yeah.
She's learning a lot about me today.
She doesn't know.
And so I went to work, and then my dad came to Andheri to go to the audition with me so that I didn't get scammed because I didn't want to go alone.
Yeah,
He came and he
my
sat
God.
with
You
me.
were scared, I remember.
I was scared. I was what am I getting into? And this guy, he sat with me in the room, and I had learned the lines and all normally. And I was giving the not interview. I was giving the audition, and I couldn't speak. My Hindi was not Hindi.
Hindi.
Yeah. But he, for some reason, he really liked me. He was haan, ho jayega and all. And then they had something where they shortlisted a few people. And I had given one audition. Now, I don't know how it works. I had given one audition. They shortlisted a few people. And they said, ki, you come for the shortlist ka thing. They wanted me to come, but I didn't want to.
What? So you
I
rejected
ghosted him.
You?
Yeah, that's so
I
stupid.
thought it didn't work out.
No, I ghosted. So basically after the first audition,
Oh my
he asked
God,
for a few
dude.
shots. He asked for something. He's send some video, some thing, na, you do aisa.
Yeah.
Left profile, right
Profile thing. And some video of another.
What if that had worked out? Today Riya wouldn't be
Yeah, Riya would be
I
on
would
the other
still
side.
be sitting.
We would be so,
how you as an actor.
Yeah,
I would be one of the girly pops.
yeah, exactly.
No, so then I gave it, but I honestly I wasn't vibing, and the script was how you all said, na, very unlike my character. I didn't feel chill in it, and also I die in the movie.
huh? Kya ho gaya?
No, she didn't want to die.
It's not you dying.
What are these problems?
Then she's like,
I feel like for us as actors, like our actor sides would love to have characters that are not like us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you were like, it was uncomfortable, it was not me.
Yeah.
We would like love to live
Actually,
that
you know
life.
what? In the show, we're both opposite of what we are in the show.
What do you say?
Yes,
Yeah.
I saw the first episode
Yeah.
and I'm like, this is not Ankita in real life.
Exactly.
This is
I'm
not her.
that.
In fact, Devishi gives more.
Yeah, we kept
yeah.
talking, even our outfits and
Yeah.
like the lingo we were using.
Yeah.
We were like, let's just exchange because I
Yeah.
was
So
the
you were
character.
helping and she was.
Yeah, the character I was, she was like that, and the
Yeah.
character she was playing, I'm like.
Why
that.
don't you tell us a little bit
Yeah,
more about your
tell us about your
character and the
characters.
whole vibe? How was it?
Okay, you tell about my character, I'll tell about your character.
So basically, you want to talk about yourself.
Yeah. Well, I can talk about it better.
Okay, fine.
I think Ira was more like soft girly, like, you know, ऐसे मतलब, yeah, very soft, introvert. But then, I don't know. I'm finding adjectives for
Okay, should
Ira,
I just
but-
tell
yeah,
about
yeah,
Ira?
tell me.
Okay, my character was Ira. I'm playing a corporate girly,
Oh.
and who's also like, her style is very subtle. She's, you know, she's not very loud. She doesn't go on a lot of dates. She's dated like one guy in her life. Excuse me.
She's been gaslighted by
Yeah.
her
Yeah,
ex.
like I'm
You were
like,
crying
That's
also.
right.
I'm almost the bichari
Yeah.
in the dynamic. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's Prakriti.
You full on
Prakriti.
cried. I loved that. I believed you. Like I was feeling bad for you.
Really?
You killed it.
No, Devashi cries damn well.
Really?
Oh, I've never seen her cry in real life. No,
Even in Love Yapa, the way she's cried is too good.
Oh my god.
It's
thanks,
very
guys.
realistic,
That's
yeah.
very-
Yeah,
Yeah.
we all were laughing a lot in between the takes
Yeah.
because like it was really funny when she was
Yeah, it was like
crying.
over the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As it should be. Okay, tell us about your character.
Prakriti is a content creator. She's very, very chirpy. She's very dramatic. She's a Bollywood buff, and basically she's moved to this new city. And in the show, she is more like a big sister energy to Ira because Ira is more new to the city, and
Yeah.
she's like, you know, being like, "Arey, tu tension mat le, sab theek ho jayega." Like, you know, don't be sad about this one breakup. You'll get more guys in your life, and
Yeah.
there's so much to explore. Like, why are you home sitting like this, like a crybaby and all? So I think Prakriti gives off very like big sister energy, and yeah, she's very like chirpy.
मैं सब संभालूंगी type.
and she's also very confident about herself.
Yeah.
But she also doesn't like the work that she's doing.
Hmm.
So she works as a strategist for different brands. She basically helps them with their content.
Yeah.
So she doesn't want to do that. She wants to make her own content, but she's also like thoda not sure ki how is she gonna do that. That's when Ira basically
Nice.
yeah motivates and pushes her to like, you know, go and ki acha kar, why don't you do all of this? We're both like pushing each other for like our
It's a very, I
Yeah.
realize now when you're speaking, it's such a wholesome show. Because even when we came to the set, and we entered the bathroom and we were just all like, oh my god, same, oh my god, same. And I was just overhearing you guys and I was like, girls are just so
Yeah.
cute. Like we just had like same manager and we were like excited. We
Yeah,
all have the same
yeah.
managers.
Yeah, guys, we have the same manager and they have the same manager. That's actually really cool.
yeah.
And both of us are giving Christmas vibes.
Yeah, so
And we are giving gender reveal.
Girls can. And our lip balms are there.
Yeah. Very girly
Actually,
pop
like, be
coded.
happy like that also.
But yeah, I feel like
And all four of us are wearing Crocs.
yeah.
Mine's dirty.
And one thing that was true in our own characters was that she was giving big sister vibe, which
Yeah.
she still does in
Yeah.
real life. Yeah.
Really?
Even though she's younger to me, she would always be like, "Don't do this, don't do that," because I'm like, you know, always spilling things and this. And that.
Yeah, but I think Ankita does give the elder sister
Yeah.
She does.
vibe.
She does.
She's very young, but she still gives that vibe. Like,
She gives a very responsible,
Yeah.
like, you know.
she knows what's going on.
And
Oh my
like even
God.
on set, if I'm doing something wrong, like I know I'm doing something questionable, I'll just look at her and
And she'll be like, yeah, you are wrong.
yeah, no, no, I would just look at her. If she's not reacting, then I'll just do it.
And
That-
like, do your characters, were they already like best friends, before, or they become best friends throughout the course?
They become. Like, we just get to know, and then we see, like, there's a lot of friction, and then no friction, and then, you know,
Yeah, we should
advances
see
here
for
and
that.
there.
Yeah. We should.
Yeah.
Okay, this is random, but give us like a hot take you'll have on actors or acting in general. Anything.
Yeah.
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 Or any take. Warm take.
Warm take.
I've never heard anyone say warm
Like
take.
it's not hot enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the 75 hard and 75 medium.
Yeah. 50 medium also people do.
Yeah. I should do a 10 medium.
I should do a 1 hard.
Today was too hard. Not tomorrow.
Think of something. Anything related to acting, movies, film, being on set, working with actors.
I think I said it in the previous episode as well. I feel like I find it difficult to be friends with actors than creators.
Yeah, this you've said. Say something new now.
Actors that are creators.
No, like than creators.
Like
Oh.
it's harder to be friends with an actor. Yeah.
But I also like I get why. Like I also told you I'm also a difficult friend as an actor.
I don't believe that, but
Yeah, because you haven't seen me like
Yeah.
when I'm on set, not on this set. On this set we were too like chubby.
Yeah.
But on like
When you
on
don't
a
know
serious
them.
when I'm like not when I'm like okay I need to like sit with my character and this and that.
Hmm.
That's I don't talk that much.
Same.
were you all friends before you all started shooting?
Oh yeah, can I okay, wait. Let's talk
We
about
have
it.
to talk about it.
So, I knew of her through a friend, and I think we just followed each other on Instagram
Yeah.
for a while. And then one day I met her at an event, and we are speaking about how, like, I'm like, oh, I thought you left Bombay because you don't post anymore, and what are you doing, and how's acting going? And we spoke about acting a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we almost work with the same actors, so we were talking about them. And then the next day when we got locked for Girly Pops, I asked them who the other co-actor is, and they were like, do you know Ankita Chetri? And I was like, yeah.
Yeah, and the same thing happened with me as well. They were like, I asked them who is my co-actor, and they're like, Devisha. I'm like, what?
What are
You
you
were
on?
super happy.
Yeah, because we just like the
We
just
were
before
literally
that.
speaking about
Yeah.
that only like 2 days before, and we are like, wow, we are in a show together.
Yeah.
How crazy is that?
That's
Very
crazy.
cute.
So when you
Yeah.
started, you all weren't as close as you all are now. You all really bonded over the shoot.
We have.
Yeah, I know the exact moment when we bonded actually. So when we met, I knew that she's.
Can we talk about that?
No. Don't worry. I just want to say that. Okay, wait. So she's filtering.
She's like, how do I say it without?
How much to say?
No, Sina.
No, so I knew that I could tell that she's like more of a shant person and like a better listener than
Yeah.
I am for sure. So, but on the first day of shoot, I was like dropping her halfway, and I feel like I have great conversations when I'm driving because my ADHD brain is very satisfied. So we were having conversations and we were literally sinking.
Yeah.
Like, so what we were partying. I'm like trying to filter so hard. We were talking about some part of our lives, and it was like matching. Like,
yeah,
full
like
matching.
we were going through the same.
Thing at
Like
the same
same-
time.
at
in
the same
parallel
time.
universe.
One second, are you all both Virgos? You all said you all were, right?
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, no. Guess don't guess.
Yeah.
But like, my birthday's on 26th.
My birthday is on 25th of August.
Yeah.
Both of us.
Can I tell
August.
you all something insane?
What?
Insane. So do you all know Style of the Satlu Shah?
Yeah.
She's
Satlu
our
Shah, she's our
She
friend,
makes
okay?
videos,
And we went to Bali together randomly. Her birthday is on the 22nd
Yeah.
of June. Mine's on the 28th of June,
Both
okay?
are Cancerian.
Yeah. And this is the first time we are properly talking to each other, like having an intense conversation about our lives. And our lives were completely synced. Like
At the same time.
we were talking about things that happened to us 5 years ago in school, in some project, in something while starting our content creation journey. And it was the same. It was crazy and it was scary.
Yeah.
And I think
Yeah.
it's a thing because if you all are synced in a
We need
weird
to talk
way.
more about other stuff because we haven't
we haven't like really
explored
done-
that.
Have the
But-
conversation, I feel like it'll be similar.
Yeah.
Maybe we could, yeah. But then at some point we were both like, oh my god, same. And then like one thing I was very like hesitant to say it. And then I said it and she's like, same. Oh my gosh. And then at some point we ran out of it. And then we were like, crazy. And we were like, what the heck?
That broke the ice.
Yeah. So then after that I was like, oh, ये तो अपनी है.
How was it being on set together? Like some fun stories.
I think one thing that I remember was very fun was chugli. We would be like, "Aao behan chugli kare," because there was so much chugli on set. This
Oh my
set
God,
was full of
yes.
chugli. So we
As
would
soon
just,
as we would go to the vanity, you would be like, mic off.
and it was not even. It was just a look. We would just look at each other and be like, "Okay."
Yeah. And then we're like,
Wait,
oh,
where is the mic?
Why
Why is it on your leg?
In different outfits, different.
Yeah.
places.
So basically, if you're
yeah.
wearing, so if your back is gonna be visible, there's a strap that you can put in your
Leg.
leg.
Crazy. It's not fun to be on set with like someone like you. Like, is it more of a vibe?
Yeah, she's such a vibe, dude. Like, she would always crack some random jokes, or she would do something really silly, and it would completely break the ice, or like lighten up that whole mood.
Yeah,
So,
only
maza
one.
aata tha.
At some point, she was doing like a very emotionally heavy scene, and I was like, I have to be mature. Like I can't be this person. So literally, like I was just there on my phone, and I was like, I'm not going to look at her also. Because otherwise, I
She
will
didn't
take
talk
her.
to me at all. She was just looking at me from a distance.
Yeah. But one more thing I think we bonded over was this very small thing. But every time the director was not around and we saw the monitor, I would just call her, dekh le. We weren't allowed, so.
And also one day before that, like, you know, we had a very hectic day and there was a lot of chaos on set. And everybody was in, you know, really tensed and here and there. And we both are just laughing and it's a random conversation we are having on bed and we are just laughing.
Yeah, we
with
had to
each
lie
other.
down in the
Yeah,
scene. So
exactly.
there's chaos everywhere and just like, और बता.
That's
Us also, sometimes on the pod, like we have to talk about something serious, and Riya's giving a serious story, and I already know about it. Like you have told me this like 2 years back, and then I'm just not looking at her because if
I
I
was
look
going
at
to
her,
ask that question, that you guys know so much about each
it's
other.
very tough. Literally, like when the pod started, when we just started doing this, we stopped talking to each other for like 2-3 weeks. Like we didn't FaceTime like that. Because we needed something to talk about.
On the pod, so even now when we are like have like we do like topic planning and all,
Yeah.
we always say that okay, you have something to say, don't
Don't
tell me
tell
now, tell me on
Tell
set.
me on the
Yeah.
pod.
Because we can't act like, if I have to act like I don't know a story, I'm like,
And I'm sure you've seen us.
Ranveer and you is coming.
You've seen us do that also many times. You're like, yeah.
yeah, of course.
No, I can tell on Kanchi's face when she wants to laugh and she.
No, my face is like, you can tell what I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Sad, happy, angry, very easy. And I don't think that's a good thing.
No,
That is a good thing.
That is a good thing, but not in front of everyone. She's like,
Like sometimes when there's like a serious situation and you need like a good cop, bad cop now, like Kanchi gets so emotional about it. It's like all on her face. So like I feel like even if I'm pissed, I have to be kind of in the middle. You know, like I can't be irritated because Kanchi's like I'm like, at least look like you empathize with them.
Irritated by me?
No, like the third party, like if someone's talking to us,
Yeah.
I have to like be like, no, but that's completely okay. And they look at Kanchi and they know that it's not okay. Because she's gonna cry or she's gonna scream or something.
So I don't know how to control my face.
Sometimes-
Facial expressions.
Yeah, like sometimes you'll be in a meeting and someone will say something and she's like, don't they understand they can't do that? And I'm like, relax.
Is Kachi like that? Because
Yes,
I think
sis.
she's very like cutesy. She gives me very
I am
cutesy
that,
vibe.
but I'm... No, Riya is more that. Like,
Yeah,
Riya,
Yeah, I feel like Riya maybe can say that.
I
but
can maybe do it, but when no one's there to Riya, like
Yeah,
I can tell her that what, how, why is this happening?
Yeah, I
And I'm
think
like-
she's more like that
Yeah, and
with
then
you.
I'm like, wait, I'll tell them.
Yeah.
I'm like, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or maybe I can do it on text.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh.
That also Riya has to control me. Say, no.
Only because she's scary on text. Like, see, like if you're close to her and she says something, you'll be like, हाँ चलेगा, अच्छा mood today, whatever.
Yeah.
But if she says something on text and someone doesn't know her as well, they will be scared of her. Like she'll be like, didn't I tell you to do this? And then the person will be like, Sorry, I'll get it up.
But that looks very rude. I'm not sure.
No, you're actually quite nice.
Yeah.
In fact, in comparison,
Yeah,
to
she's
me,
the
you're very
sweetest
nice.
I
girl.
like things a certain way. Like if it has to happen at this time, it has to happen at
Yeah,
this time.
and
Like,
it's
why
on
am
her
I doing
face.
this?
Yeah, she's like, what's the problem? Why is this difficult?
Yeah.
Like, it's on her face.
Whoa.
She is actually one of the sweetest creators I know.
She is.
Yeah.
And she's actually genuinely nice in the
Yeah.
sense that she doesn't even think
Yeah.
badly of someone. She just
Yeah.
wants things to be done in a certain method.
Yeah, you know, I initially thought that Kanchi can't be that nice. So I was like, thoda to fake ho gayi. And then I kept talking to her. And I was like,
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay. I don't know
Enough.
how to react when people compliment me or give me something or yeah.
Yeah, like if you get a gift or something.
I think even I'm the same. Yeah. Same.
I think if you
Even
don't.
you are the same. Like sweet, cute.
innocent Swami type ka.
Yeah.
Like
Or maybe you also have a side that no one has seen.
I feel like everyone has a good side, bad side.
Yeah.
Moody and like
For
that.
sure.
I guess I'm very strict professionally. When it comes to work, I'm very strict. Ki if I'm not okay with something, then I'll say no for it.
Yeah.
But then in like with friends and all, I'm like, I can't say, like, you know,
Yeah.
it's like ki, I don't know.
You don't know
If-
you
can
can
I
do
say that I don't like it or I don't want to do it?
Hmm.
Like, I'm very people pleaser in personal life.
We
but
have
then,
been through that
all of
whole.
us.
yeah.
We had an intense conversation about being a people pleaser in the last pod that Devashi came on.
Yeah.
We to always talk about it.
I think now we are getting there. Like we're not that.
Now I'm
much
not
of-
pleasing at all.
Even with work, I used to be like that. But then
Yeah.
now I'm like,
Same.
you know, nahin.
Baad mein jaye.
Yeah,
I feel
exactly.
like Kritika is right here, who's our manager. I feel like she has seen it happen. Because initially I'd be like, "Theek," and then now I'm like, no, but I don't want to do this. And I'll start crying if I'm like standing up for myself. Then I start crying.
Yeah.
Same.
No, I cry.
Same, but I can't say no. Remember, I cried on set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was about to say, you're saying that you say no for like professionally. But that's also very sweet. She's like, I don't want to do this. And then she's like,
Yeah. And they don't take me seriously only. Like, they feel like, arey, isko convince karna easy hai.
Yeah.
Like, people
Yes.
take me like that.
And I don't want them to feel bad, so I'll do it, but then I'll cry at the same time.
Yeah,
while doing it.
same.
Yeah.
No, I won't do it.
So I get fired up by Riya. only that you
That's
can't-
what.
Yeah,
because
shouldn't be
bro,
your
Riya
pleaser.
tells me also. She's very like headstrong that
Fierce.
way.
Yeah, if you're clearly uncomfortable doing something and someone can see that you're uncomfortable doing it, but they still make you do it, it's not a good thing.
Yeah.
Like, you should be able to be like, bhai, mujhe nahi karna hai. Like,
Yeah.
like, I'm not comfortable, or I don't want to do, or this is not my vibe. Like, because we have so many people around us constantly like giving advice also. I feel like this happens a lot as a content creator and an actor also. Ki, every decision is not yours.
Yeah.
And because everything is so public, people feel like they can give advice. But if we gave the same advice to someone that worked in an office, they would be like, you don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
But since you don't know what's happening either, you just see the final result of it.
Yeah.
So they feel like it's open for discussion, but it's not. It's
That's
not.
so true. Yeah, I
Yeah.
agree with her.
Yeah, we should. And I feel like collectively, like I've had this conversation with so many different creators that
Yeah.
are our age that have felt very pressured since the beginning because we started so young
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
everyone is like, "Arey, bachche hai, संभाल लेंगे, बता
I
देंगे."
know.
Yeah,
And
so
then that suddenly the transition happened.
Yeah.
Then we started
Yeah.
realizing,
growing up and realizing that this is not okay, we want to decide for ourselves. And everyone always says this, that if as creators together we decide that we are not okay with doing something or putting our foot down for something, then no brand or agency or anyone will force us for anything.
Yeah.
Because they know कि creators करेंगे ही नहीं. We should like hold that ground together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
we should hold
No,
it.
but that's actually
This is a start.
that's actually so true because we all started very young,
Yeah.
right? So like with time also we are learning a lot of things like how to be like affirmative with what you exactly want. Like people don't take us seriously only and they feel like अरे ये तो sweet है ये कर लेंगे यार ये कर लेंगे 2-3 बार और बोलो कर लेंगे. But then I feel like उसमें हम ही like you know बच जाता है.
Now that you're older and wiser, you can tell that they're trying to do it because I'll say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you can tell it's all the more annoying because
Yeah.
why you
So
take
many
it.
times like, I wouldn't even realize like what is happening, and Riya would tell me, "Do you even realize what you're doing?"
You know who told me?
Asta.
Asa, yeah.
Yeah, and I feel like also initially because we were like all 18, 19, 20s.
Yeah.
So we also got paid less and very late. And because all of us, like most of us were living with parents
Yeah.
or getting funded by parents, we didn't ask for money. So they would
Yes.
not give us the money.
Yeah.
Like, and then like months later, my parents would just ask me, are you getting paid for this stuff?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You know, there was one trip I think we were taking, and that time, I don't know what was happening, but none of my like stuff was getting cleared. I wasn't getting money for any of the work I was doing. And there was a point where I was like, I thought I had the money for this trip, but
the
now
money
that I
was
look at my bank
not.
account,
Oh my God.
it's not with me. Like, they have all my money since like months. And then remember we had this conversation where I realized we need to ask for it. Then we asked for it and then we got it.
This
Don't
is I
worry.
think every creator.
Every
Ever.
creator
has
has
gone
gone
through
through
this
this.
I want to ask you all one question though. What is your personal favorite genre of acting? Like, if someone else didn't have to place you as a certain character or... Bro, actually, Ankita's a very good listener. I feel like talking
Yeah.
only.
You know, whenever I'm talking, she's looking at me and I'm like, yeah.
She like gives you the eyes like, don't worry, I'm here.
I'm interested. Yeah.
I think I would love to be more in like rom-com movies. I feel
Sweet.
like, yeah, I feel like I want to do more of like love stories kind of a thing. Like, I feel like that I might
think you
really,
give that
Yeah,
vibe.
I can see you as a lover girl.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually
Very
really
soft.
sweet.
Yeah.
Aesthetic. Yeah.
Or maybe like completely opposite of that. I want to become a villain in some show. Like, you know, it's ऐसे कि मतलब start में बिल्कुल भी idea ना हो कि like, you know, oh, this girl is so nice and all that, and then
Cut to
later it
she
turns out,
fucked up the
yeah,
whole thing.
exactly, like that. That would be fun.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's very cool. And you?
You?
I have been very vocal about this. I want to play a serial killer or a psycho person, because I think like
I think you could.
I think I'll like ace it.
No, like she could ace it.
I'm really excited about it. I have done so many monologues, just like psycho girl,
Just
and
for the
this and that.
vibes.
Yeah.
I would love to see
wanna
your
see it.
auditions.
Yeah, I would love to see
And
it.
I was gonna do like a show. I got selected. I did a meeting with the director, but they increased the like amount of intimate scenes in the show.
Oh, that's annoying.
That's another, yeah.
How is that like?
Like doing it on camera.
Yeah.
I've never done it, but I know there are like professional people on set.
Intimacy
Like, who is the
coaches.
coordinator?
Yeah, coordinator, yeah.
Sis.
But what does it do? Like, what is their job like?
No, first of all, they make you comfortable. I've never experienced it, but I've just heard stories, and so they'll make you comfortable with your co-actor. They'll maybe make you do activities and this and
Yeah.
that. So yeah, and also I feel like when you're doing like intimate scenes, there are like 4 people on set. Not a lot of people are allowed.
Oh.
And they're
Oh.
also from behind the camera, he's always saying, okay, now keep your hand here.
Oh,
Yeah, I
Yes,
feel like
do
maybe
that.
there's a
What?
choreography
Yeah.
in that.
oh, that's
I
crazy.
think so.
But also there's we are talking from very privileged POV. Like I know many sets that don't have intimacy coordinators, and it's just very uncomfortable for actors. So it's you know, every industry has a good and a bad side. So the show that I was talking about, that's what happened. I realized there's not gonna be an intimacy coordinator, and even the crew that I was speaking to didn't feel very comfortable. So then they were like, oh, there are 25 kissing scenes, and I was like, thank you.
What the hell?
Yeah.
I don't understand how actors don't fall in love with each other after kissing each other so
Yeah.
many times. Like, I understand that it's like their job and all, but how do you not
Apparently,
get...
it's very mechanical.
Yeah,
Like
that's
you-
what I've heard. As
Like
well.
so under pressure.
Yeah, and too many people looking at you. You have to do it a certain way. That's
Don't you
weird.
feel bad that sometimes you would have to give up a good role because you like don't want to do the intimate scene?
I felt that recently. Like, I had gotten an audition and it was not like a primary character, but it was like a secondary character in a really good project, like with some really great actors. But then they had intimate scenes and I had to say no because I was like, I don't know if I'm comfortable right now for that.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I want to get more experience and decide later maybe if I want to do it also or not.
Hmm.
But yeah, I had to call that off.
Tough.
And I was very
What
sad.
also happens is that if you do those scenes and then other people see you doing them, they cast you more in those type of roles
Yeah,
also.
that's
It's like
what I
setting a
feel like.
precedent.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
she's
yeah.
talented, she'll be able to do it.
Exactly.
And you're talked about also, you're obviously talked about in various ways, and it shouldn't matter, but you're also talked about in a very cheap manner.
Cheap way. You never
in
know how.
meetings.
Yeah.
You know, like if there's like 5 really aggressive intimate scenes, then they'll just be like, oh, call her, she does it. She keeps doing
Yeah.
it. You know?
Oh, that's so annoying.
And that you can also fall into like weird situations because of that, because people have seen you in that
Yeah.
manner that they're like, oh, let's just call her for a meeting
Yeah.
and see how it goes. And
Especially when you're starting off with your career, it's a very difficult thing to like get onto.
Like
I
it
feel.
puts you in a certain like reputation that you can't undo.
Yeah.
Fair. I've never
Is
thought
it
about
the
that.
same with like if you're not comfortable wearing a certain outfit, you can you say?
I
you can
say.
yeah, you
Huh.
can say, and usually they're good, like
Yeah.
they're nice enough to you know,
Yeah.
switch it up.
But if your character needs a certain type of vibe, then they tell you before.
But they must be
Unless
having stylists and all, na? on set.
yeah, but unless
Yeah.
you're saying that I don't like it, like 5th outfit, you're saying I don't like it because I don't look good, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fair.
But if you're like, oh, I'm feeling uncomfortable, then if they change,
Yeah.
like it's fine.
Like if it's low or short or something,
Yeah,
there is
yeah,
zero.
yeah.
And that doesn't matter. Like it doesn't matter how big or new of an actor you are. Everyone gets a say. if you're
Yeah, I mean,
uncomfortable.
I think you should actually start saying it from the start,
Yeah.
so that they know that you're not okay with that.
Hmm.
If you say yes just to please them, then I feel like later on it becomes difficult for you to then go back
back
to
to
saying no.
That's true. And so like the actor side of me has given up all this. Like even if I'm not feeling nice, I won't say it because I have had too many instances where they're like, nahi, aapko ye karna hi padega. And as an actor, you have less say because I'm not the captain of the ship.
Yeah.
So, but on this project, whenever Ankita was saying something, I'd be like, okay, I don't feel this thing is nice. So I would also say, Kyari, meko bhi kar do. So then this is what I learned from like this set from Ankita, that like if you say it, maybe they'll say yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's no
Give it a
harm in
shot.
trying, Yeah.
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 Big sis.
yeah.
Fitting the role.
Fully, yeah. Off the camera also, we were like that.
Who's your favorite actor? Or like what's your favorite movie ever?
No, like an actor you actually are obsessed with.
Or like, oh,
I think we have the same. I don't know though. I'm talking about
Have
Bollywood
we?
actress.
Actress?
We haven't spoken about it.
No. Are we talking about actor or
Yeah,
actress?
tell anyone.
Anyone.
Yeah.
Actress.
Anyone
Alia Bhatt. I think we have made a video also on that. Remember? Yeah.
Like you together?
Yeah. We had made it years
videos
ago.
together.
You guys don't know.
Gorilla. No, what do you mean together?
We have made 3-4 videos together.
Yeah,
Like,
so many videos.
Love
And
Boat.
2022.
2022.
Yeah.
We danced together.
Yeah, we have danced together. We have
Yes.
done
Yeah.
text videos together.
Yes.
Yeah. When I told you I'm gonna go home and stalk you, I did stalk you, and then I did.
You did see my video with
Yeah, now I
Kanchi. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
really
yeah.
creepy, Devashi.
Because we were talking about something, and I was like, you have too many stories to tell, and I don't have enough
Yeah.
context, so I'm gonna go home and stalk you.
I still can't believe you're a nurse. I still am
I
like
had
so
to
shocked.
literally send her the reel. Like, believe me.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
telling
like
you.
you're lying. That's crazy.
I guess,
actually.
my new followers don't know that.
Yeah.
People who've been following me since then
No.
know it.
No, I've been following you for very long. For very, very. But
Since
and I knew
I
you went to
know.
the UK to study also.
But you
I
didn't know
you
what
went
did
to
I study.
Yeah. That's crazy. Okay, but why Alia Bhatt? Like, obviously Alia Bhatt. Even I love Alia Bhatt. But why? Like, what's the...
Because she has everything in her. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, she has that cute, bubbly side also. But she can pull off anything, I feel.
Yes.
What's your favorite role that she's played? If you had to pick one.
You know why?
I love her in Razi.
I love Razi.
Yeah.
I love Razi.
I've cried so much in that movie.
Like, she's such an innocent girl in that movie, and like later on, like, you know, whatever she does, it's like, wow, it's so relatable, and she's pulled that off so nicely.
For you,
Good for
Devashi?
you.
I'm second.
Yours
Yeah,
is
I know
Highway.
mine. Yeah, highway.
Highway.
But I feel like, you know, one moment when I realized she's such a great actor was I was watching one of her interviews and she was about to, or Gangubai had just released or not, like it was about to. And in one of her interviews, she was sitting like Gangubai and
Yeah.
talking like her. and you could just
Like
tell
this.
that she's lived
Yeah.
that life
Hmm.
at least for the amount of the movie shoot time. And I was like, oh, she's such a cool
When
actor.
she had announced that movie, I didn't think that she could pull that role
Yeah.
off. But when I actually saw the movie, I was like, wow, like, she's really done that job so well.
Yeah.
No, Gangubai, I think she still can get into the character.
I just saw
like
a clip of
Gangubai
her.
is in her.
I literally just saw a clip of her somewhere on stage. Her and Ranbir were standing
Yeah,
on
and
stage.
she paused for 2 minutes and then
Yes, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, she did. They
Chills.
said the dialogue, and she also said, like, have you seen the scene in Dholida in End when she's in a trance and she's
Oh, yeah.
Like, the
that full
colour
one
and
take,
she's into
one
Garba
shot
circle.
thing. Yeah,
that
yeah,
time
yeah.
she said that after a point she didn't know what is happening. She was just going on and on and
Yeah.
it just went on, and then they said cut, and she didn't even remember what she did.
And she just did that once.
Yeah, and Sanjay Leela
Yeah.
Bhansali said that this is the best take of his life.
Wow.
That's
Yeah.
such a cool thing to have said.
Every time I see that song, especially that part, I get goosebumps. Like right now, also I'm like,
Yeah, we are Alia Pagloos
Yeah.
like that.
Alia Pagloos and Raha Pagloos.
Yeah, oh my god, she's so cute. I'm obsessed with that baby.
For the longest
Tell
time,
them the news.
Raha and my birthday is same.
Oh,
That means your dad's also.
That's so bro, we had gone somewhere for Kanchi's
We
birthday
said this
last year.
story on the pod
On the
already.
pod?
Yeah.
I see every like on Alia Bhatt ka whatever fan pages edits.
Yes.
Kachi's like will be there.
Comments also.
Yeah.
Bro, at the point I was so obsessed with Alia Bhatt that many Alia Bhatt fan clubs would follow me. Because I used to drop comments.
that's cool. That's
On every post consistently.
Did you
Yeah.
ever make an Alia
I've
Bhatt
not
page?
made one.
You should.
At some point, my whole explore feed was just like, it still is, but
Yeah.
at some point it was like more Raha. And I
Raha.
would see
Raha.
Raha, and I would literally say it out loud to whoever was with me. That how is this person so cute?
Cute.
Like, so perfect.
Imagine the
What a
genes.
perfect child.
Okay, so we're basically playing a Bollywood game where we get a dialogue from a Bollywood movie and we need to guess which movie it's from, and you get an extra point if you guess which actor said the dialogue.
Yes,
Okay.
let's go.
We have
So
to
are we
win
saying
this.
character name or
No, the actor.
Ah.
Keep it
Cool.
easy.
cool?
Like, are we just shouting the name out loud?
Yeah. Let's shout. It'll be so chaotic. I love it.
Okay, cool.
हाँ, चलो.
Let's go. Riya, be prepared.
First one.
Hmm.
उठा ले रे बाबा उठा ले.
Hera Fairy.
Paresh
No.
Rawal.
Oh.
I said the movie first.
But we
The
said
movie or the actor?
So
we have
one-
to guess.
The movie is the first, then if you get the actor,
But
it's
now
bonus.
1 point, na?
No.
Okay, one. Because we gave the actor.
Because I thought we
Yeah.
had the actor we were guessing. Achha, chal.
One
We'll
point,
give it to
point.
Kachi.
They
We'll
are
give
our
it
guests, so we need to give them one point.
1 second. Hello, we earned it.
Because of me.
No, because
Okay,
Okay.
one point each.
Next, yeah.
आप पुरुष ही नहीं महापुरुष है.
Sis.
I have no idea.
Is it a girl saying?
Stree?
Goldman 3?
No.
Welcome.
Very old. Okay.
Him, it's a very iconic comedy film.
It's not gold.
Don't. De Dhanadhan.
Arey, you are just.
Dhamal.
Dhamal 2, Dhamal 3.
Okay, say the answer. Yeah.
Okay.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Oh,
I wouldn't have guessed it.
Yeah, I wouldn't have
See,
guessed
I was
it.
thinking of some
Yeah.
2000s.
Yeah.
Thinking
Yeah.
of dialogues is tough.
Yeah.
एक जीत के. Okay, next.
Second.
परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा अनुशासन.
Arey,
Mohabbat.
What?
Mohabbat.
Mohabbat.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
One more Sharti.
Arey, Sharon also we have to.
It's okay. Now again, next.
उसका तो ना बैड लक ही खत्म है.
Is it
I don't
Houseful?
know this.
Good news, bad news.
Yeah, Houseful 1.
Old.
Old.
Yeah, that Akshay Kumar
Yeah.
had bad luck in that.
मेरा तो bad luck ही खराब है.
This is
उसका तो
tough.
bad luck ही खराब है. It's old. It doesn't
No,
seem
yeah,
old.
I've given up.
This is
Even
not
I
so
don't know.
comedy.
It's very difficult.
Yeah, say.
Yeah, given up.
रंगीला अमित.
Rangila
Oh my
to
God,
buy.
you wouldn't
This
know.
is damn tough,
This is
yeah.
damn tough. हाँ.
Yeah, do give easier.
और तुमने उसे जिंदा ही गाड़ दिया.
Om Shanti Om. Shahrukh Khan. Arjun Rampal. What the fuck?
He was right there. I just did.
We have 4 points.
Okay, guys, it's 4 or 2 at the moment because we've guessed the actor and the movie right
So
now.
we
So there's
got
a point
2
for
points,
each. Yeah. Chal, let's go.
वतन के आगे कुछ नहीं.
Rafi! Alia Bhatt.
Oh my god! Look at her! She didn't let me like. These actors are so conceited. They only know their own lines.
She said the आगे का line also.
Are she's too Alia, but Paglu know
Yeah,
what to
she's
do.
mad Alia Bhatt.
Oh
Paglu.
my god.
Yeah.
6 points.
Yeah.
Bro,
We can't stop at 6 because it's a lucky number.
Come on.
Don't underestimate the power of a combination.
Chennai Express.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Arey, shit.
4 points. Let's go. I तो can't think only under pressure. Like तुम सब लोग बोल दो.
दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम. No sorry, no thank you.
शाहरुख खान. केतरी जी.
कुछ होता है. कुछ होता है.
So शाहरुख खान आ गए. कुछ होता
सलमान
है.
खान. मैंने प्यार किया.
Oh. I just assumed.
I was a Salman Khan Paglu. So that's why.
6 points.
What you did?
I was gonna do. She's cheering me.
She's cheering me.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Okay, next.
Belly pop.
Okay. Calm.
मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया.
No.
Yeah, she's right.
Quick. Yes. I was like, no.
You have to get the next one.
8 points. 8, 6.
Last.
Last.
Okay. चल.
Continue.
चल. Okay.
जब कोई प्यार में होता है तो कोई सही गलत नहीं होता.
I know. Oh my
Houseful?
No.
अरे कुछ भी.
दिल धड़कने दो. What the hell?
Oh my god, this has to be a Kejo
Bro, I
movie.
know this though.
No?
जब कोई प्यार में होता है तो कोई सही.
Rocky Rani?
Oh. Is it a Kareena Kapoor dialogue? Yes, 1 point for that.
किसका?
Kareena Kapoor.
Jab we met.
When she said Kareena Kapoor, I was right.
Now
Equal.
Time.
Oh my god.
I get to time.
No, I don't want that. That's so
You
pressure.
know what? I have a time.
No, can we just do girlies? And that's it.
Rocky, yeah. I love to.
Because we don't wanna.
We don't want to compete.
Yeah, tie.
I have
No,
a
but
time.
that's stupid. Yeah.
Let's
yeah.
just-
I have a tiebreaker,
We have to.
Yeah.
Oh, we have one.
but it's so easy that it's a speed round.
Okay,
Come
let's
on,
go.
Kanchi,
Oh my
come
god.
on.
Oh my
I'm
god.
counting on you.
Okay. Kanchi.
Gangu Chan.
We said it together. 10.
We said Alia Bhatt.
Yeah, we did say it together. Yeah.
Gangubai Kathiawadi.
I said Gangubai Alia Bhatt. इतना काठियावाड़ी वगैरह नहीं करना है.
Gangubai
So it's a
Alia
tie
Bhatt,
only.
It's a
Chalo.
tie.
Chalo.
Chalo. Good job.
Good job.
Well played.
Yeah.
Too good.
Well played.
That was a good one. Yeah. I enjoyed too much actually.
Guys, we are at the end of the episode and it was a tie and we love that. We don't want like any bad blood. But okay.
Of course.
Any bad blood. Now we are going to Richie recommends and this time Ria and I are going to recommend something together.
Yes. Our recommendation for today's episode is Girly Pops
Go and watch it if you haven't already. All the episodes are now out by now.
on YouTube. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, by the time this goes
Yeah.
out, everything's out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then they can just like.
Please be nice to us.
I recently watched this show called We Were Liars.
Oh.
Did you recommend that last time when you came?
Maybe. Because I really liked it. Can I tell you something? There are 8 episodes. The first 4 episodes, you have to sit through it. But once you do, just watch it. On the 8th episode, you will be mind blown. Like I,
think
swear.
you recommended
You
this
said the
last
same
time.
thing.
Oh, so yeah, I really liked it. But I have another show. It's called The Girlfriend.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
And it's really well edited and shot in a way that they show you the girlfriend's perspective and the mother-in-law's perspective. And it's a very like gripping show. It's very
Where
nice.
is it?
I've heard a lot about
It's on
this.
Amazon Prime.
Many people have been talking about
Yeah.
The Girlfriend.
Cool. It's very nice.
We'll watch.
I recently finished Nobody Wants This and I
Love
love
it.
that show.
Same.
Yeah.
We
Especially
recommended already.
Yeah,
It's too
the
good.
first season is so good. Like
Yeah.
it's like exactly what I wanted to watch.
Hmm.
Because
Did you like the second season?
like I'm on the second episode, so
okay.
like
Oh, you know,
I'm
a
not
lot
fully
of
watched.
people didn't vibe with the second season
yeah, I'm
because
not vibing that much with the second season, but the first season you have to watch.
The
'cause
first
it's
season.
so
I watched the
The
beautiful.
first season I had watched very fast. Like
yeah, I do love the second season
short
also.
also, no? 30
I
minutes
watched
ka episode
It's
hai,
too
so
good.
you can quickly finish that whole season.
Apparently, the second season is very real.
Really?
Like it's like real life issues, and people are not liking that because they wanted like
About
some
the
unrealistic
relation.
romantic stuff from Nobody Wants This. That was the first season, now like very romantic, very sweet.
Yeah.
But I feel like the
So-
show's premises was only like real. Like,
Yeah. I enjoyed the second season. In fact,
I haven't watched it yet.
watch.
Second one.
You like it? I think you like it. It's
By
very
the
nice.
end of it, maybe I'll understand what they're trying to say. But
Yeah,
like
for sure.
first season, I loved it because I was like so beautifully they are like
Yeah.
showing a healthy relationship. It's
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah,
Love
it's
it.
too good. Good recommendations.
Yes. Thank you so much for tuning into Spoke to Soon, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Spotify. Follow both of us. Follow Ankita. Follow Devashi.
Watch
And-
the show.
Yeah, do all of that. And we will see you same time next week, same place. Bye. Bye.